My love, and welcome back to my channel. Me and my hubby went on early Valentine's Day date, and I tried the Selena Gomez AMA's inspired makeup look, which I really love. It has sparkle in it. It is right amount of all glam makeup look. So if you're interested how I got this look, then please keep watching this video. And also, before moving ahead, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting out with my Benefit Professional Base Primer. It will help to smooth out any imperfections on my skin. I'm going in with my hands and applying all over my face until it is blended perfectly. Going in with my Morphe Eyelid Primer, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid and under the eyes as well using a brush. It will create long lasting and vibrant eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a regular scotch tape and applying on both of my eyes like so, and this will help to give us that smoky crisp edges like Selena. Now I'm going to set my eyelids using the Makeup Forever translucent powder. I noticed doing this step helps to blend the eyeshadow much easier. I'll be using this Jeffree Star Alien palette for this look today, and first I'm going in with the shade Gravity. It will act as a transition shade and going to apply all over my eyelid and also extending towards outer edges of my eyes. Next, I'm taking this X-Files shade and putting all over my crease area, and also I'm going to extend it to my outer edges and smoking it out. And don't worry to extend it, guys, because we have a tape and it will be fine. Now putting the shade Space Cowboy on the outer corners of my eyes to define the edges, and this will give more definition and dimension to this look. I'm using a fluffy brush here to blend out everything and soften out the edges. Now I'm going again with the shade Gravity to blend out everything together to get that soft smoky edges just like Selena's using a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking the shade Pluto and putting it on my brow bone. This is a very pretty pearly white color and it gives a really natural soft look. I'm taking some setting spray on the flat brush. This is my Urban Decay flat brush, which I really like. Using the two shades Interstellar and Moon Rock and putting it all over my inner corners to my eyelid to get that glam and sparkle. Now I'm just blending everything until I'm happy with the look. I really like to do this to get that ombre effect and the smoky edges. I'm taking the shade Black Hole and applying to upper lash line and also creating a wing. I'm using this to get that smoky eyeliner effect just like Selena's. Also, go easy with this guy and take your time when you're doing this because this is the most important part of the look. We want everything smooth, nice and even. I'm using an angled brush here. It makes it easier to apply and smoke it out. Now it's time to remove the tape, guys, and you can see how crisp the edges are and clean if there is any fallouts. Now it's time for the falsies. I'm using Ardell false lashes, and I'm someone guy who really take time and struggle putting on my eyelashes. If you're someone like me, please do comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone. Now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Matte Gel Eye Crayon in black and tight lining my lower and upper waterline. This makes eyes looks bigger and make everything looks better. I'm taking my Sephora eyeliner and applying on top of my eyelash edges where I feel it's needed to hide that glue if any, and also on the wings to make it look more sharp from the bottom line. Now I'm taking my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline Matte Poreless in shade Nude Beige and applying it all over my face. One of my favorite foundation, guys, from drugstore, and it helps to mattifies and refines the pores, which I really like. I'm applying it using a stippling brush from Real Techniques, which again is one of my favorite brushes. And also I'm going to blend everything out with my beauty blender to remove any harsh lines or harsh edges to get that natural and seamless finish just like Selena, as she looks flawless in her pictures. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is one of my favorite product, guide. This is everything. I cannot talk enough about it, and applying it all over my face wherever I need highlight, and now blending it with my beauty blender to make everything look seamless again and flawless. And blend. This is the key, guys. Blend as much as possible. Moving on to contouring my face using L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick. I don't remember the shade of this, guys, but I will link it down below in the description box. I'm contouring all the parts of my face where I need more dimension. Selena has a beautiful glowing contoured face. I really loved her contour. And now I'm blending again everything with my beauty blender. I feel with the beauty blender I get the more natural finished contour and everything looks flawless. I'm again going with my translucent powder and setting all the areas wherever I need it over my concealer to prevent the creasing. Now I'm taking Hoola by Benefit and setting my contour. This is one of my favorite bronzer. It gives the most natural sun-kissed glowy bronzing look, and I'm applying it with the brush it came with. The brush is really nice, guys. It applies smooth and very flawless bronzer on your face. Now it's time to fill my eyebrows. I'm using Too Faced Brow Envy. To set my brows, I'm using Benefit Give Me Brow Plus gel. I really like this brow gel, and the brush is very nice, guys. It makes it really easy to apply and set the brows. Now I'm using my NARS blush palette and taking the Orgasm shade and applying all over my cheeks. And I really like to apply lots of blush, guys. This is my favorite part of the whole makeup process, and it makes everything look amazing. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I'm putting it on the higher planes of my cheeks up till the brow bone area. Selena has a very glowy and dewy skin, and she got a really good highlight all over her face as she's performing on stage, and we will try to achieve that as close as possible. Moving on to mascara, I'm taking Hourglass Caution mascara and applying a good coat on my lower lashes. Now I'm going back again with the Black Hole shade and applying on my lower lash line and smoking it out. And I'm using the same angled flat brush here. I got this from Sephora and I really love this brush to do such kind of looks. Now I'm using my H&M sparkle eyeliner to get that sparkle look just like Selena Gomez. If you have seen her pictures, she got such a beautiful sparkly eyes. Moving on to lips, I'm using my Smashbox Always Sharp lip liner in the shade Figgy. I really love this shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. It can be worn by its own. It's a perfect nude shade for a brown skin girl. And I did go over the top with my Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick in shade Basic Velvet. I really love this formula. I love the Kylie Cosmetic lipsticks. Then I also applied this Candy K shade. I really like mixing two shades of the lipstick to get that perfect shade that I'm looking for. And this gives me the shade something close to Selena Gomez, which she was wearing on the AMA's day. Now I'm using NYX Roll-On Shimmer to apply it on my hairs. Selena has got such a beautiful shimmer all over her hair, so I thought I should do something like that too. I did not had any hair shimmer with me, so I used this eyeshadow as the shimmer for my hair. Now I'm setting everything with my MAC setting spray and to lock everything up. So this is the final look, guys. I really loved how it turned out, and I'm in love with this look, and I'm sure I'm going to wear it again sometime soon. And this seems perfect for the date night, and I loved it on my Valentine's date night. And if you really liked this video and enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.